कि it is the pre-diabetes which can be reversed back with incorporation of healthy lifestyle in a patient. Namaskar, I'm Dr. Shweta, Senior Consultant, Endocrinology and Diabetes at Xyla Health. Let's understand something about pre-diabetes. As we all are aware, the condition or the criteria which helps us in making the diagnosis of a patient diabetes, it includes the fasting blood sugar more than 126, HbA1c more than 6.5. And if we want to know the cutoff point for a normal person, the fasting should be less than 100, the HbA1c should be less than 5.7. So who are those patients who are in between these two? These are the pre-diabetic patients. The pre-diabetic patients have their range of fasting blood glucose from 101 to 125 and the HbA1c from 5.7 to 6.4. Now, why is there so much importance? So people keep on talking about the pre-diabetes. It is important because ultimately it is the pre-diabetes, if not taken proper care of, they will be converted to diabetes in future. And also, if we compare a pre-diabetic person's heart risk to a normal person, they are at a higher risk of developing heart complications. And the third important aspect is that it is the pre-diabetes which can be reversed back with incorporation of healthy lifestyle in a patient, which includes the diabetic diet as well as the exercise pattern that we follow. Along with the lifestyle modifications, sometimes we can introduce various tablets or the medications for those patients, including the metformin, the acarbose, to have a complete protection during the pre-diabetes and help them in reversal of diabetes. Here at Xyla, we target towards the whole or the complete holistic care of the patient, not only for the prevention of the complications, but we also target towards reversal of diabetes. We also target towards reducing the pill burden in the patient by motivating them towards a healthy lifestyle and towards a healthy eating habits, and by taking into account the medications, what they are eating, what investigations they should go through, what screening they are lined up or they are pipelined to prevent the complications of the organs. So therefore, Xyla here acts as a companion in your journey of a healthy living with diabetes.